So you guys want to see how to pull a crank seal with the proper tool? Alright, we're going to come in here and start cranking this down. That'll pull the seal right out of the case. Just like that. And there you have it. The crank case, not boogered up at all. You don't have the correct steel seal installer tool? No problem. There you go. Tap it in. Get the depth right. Put her back together. Here's how I seal the saw up so that you can vacuum and pressure test. Put a piece of rubber, heavy rubber inner tube hose behind the carb, bolt that down. On the muffler side, I've got a thick metal piece there that clamps the rubber behind it. Works great. You want to check your work? Turn your regulator down way low, like 10 psi. Hook it up through the impulse hose. And guess what? No bubbles at all. We're good to go. Time for a vacuum test. I've hooked up the vacuum pump to the same hose going to the impulse line. Pump it up to about 10 and watch what happens. I couldn't draw any vacuum at all on it before. Looks like we've got it sealed up.